Okay, all about masks. As promised, I am so excited to share with you about clay masks. What is a clay mask? So a clay mask has a clay base, clay mud base, obviously. It's a loose powder that you mix with some kind of liquid to form a paste to use on your skin. Clay masks are not just for your face. They can be used anywhere on your body. Also, they don't have to be mixed with water. And I loved clay masks because really good at drawing out impurities, and that helps with excess oil for oily prone skin. It helps with acne or blemish prone skin because you're taking out things that are causing a reaction, right? Which gives your beautiful skin a natural, smooth, bright, glowing look. So if you're into that kind of skin, these might be the products for you. So why clay? Clay is very nutrient rich, effective, affordable, ingredients you can read, but something that is very, very, very powerful. So speaking of power, how does a clay mask work? How does clay work? So there's actually two parts. There's the wet phase of a clay mask, and then there's the drying phase. During the wet phase, right, like when you smear it all on your face, we'll say, or wherever you're putting it on, that is when your skin is actually absorbing all the nutrients, the vitamins, the minerals, which is why we bother to put other ingredients besides just bentonite clay. Bentonite clay is actually pretty rich in minerals on its own, but we also added to our masks other clays that are really rich in other minerals and other dry ingredients and essential oils, because this is prime time for your skin to absorb really good nutrients. That's the wet phase. The second phase is the drying phase. Bet you didn't see that coming. And during the drying phase, that is when the clay is basically like a big sponge, magnetic sponge, right? Powerful, and it's pulling out impurities and toxins. So as it dries, that's when you feel your skin also tightening, because that stuff is coming out, and that is what helps it give it that cleared out, smooth complexion. So those are the two phases of how a clay mask work. So how do you use a clay mask in your routine? It's pretty easy actually. First you wash your face and your hands, especially if you're going to be using your hands to apply the mask. We want to make sure that our face is clean, and you probably want to use hot water so that your pores are opening up as much as possible. Exfoliating, you can combine this just by using like a washcloth to wash your face. Then you use your mask, which you only leave on for 5 to 10 minutes, and you wash it off before it's completely dry. When it starts getting flaky, that shows that it's starting to pull, other oils. It's good to feel the tightening, but you don't want it to get too dry and actually rob your skin of its natural oils. And the last step is really important. It's so important to moisturize after using a mask. I like using an oil right after because that is specifically what your skin is needing. It helps kind of seal in and adds the nutrients after it. It's just like the perfect finisher, but you definitely want to use some kind of moisturizer afterwards. So this video has gone on long enough. Let me know if you have any questions. I cannot wait to share these masks with you guys.